welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn about the basic concept of an item master option in Mark ERP. Basically, use of an item master is to create items, means to create product. To maintain inventory in any software, there is must to create items. So let's implement in Mark software, for which we will go to master menu, then to inventory master, and then enter on item master. So a window of an item will display in front of you, where some of the keys are shown to you on screen, like F2 for create new, F3 for modify, and del for delete. So we will press F2 function key to create new item. So a window of new product will be displayed in front of you. As we are discussing about the basic concept of an item master option in this tutorial, so we will discuss on basic fields only, where you will specify the name of your item, like we will give Crocin pain relief. Then is packing. In packing, we will mention that the item which we are creating, if it is strip. So here in packing, we will mention that in one strip, how many tablets are there. Like in one strip, there are 10 tablets of Crocin pain relief. So in packing, we will mention 10. Next is unit. Unit means unit of product, means an item which we are creating. If they are in strips, then we will mention here strip. If it is an injection, so we will mention here an injection. And if it is in pieces, then we will mention pieces, etc. Now suppose the unit of our this item is strip. So we will type in short name as STRP in unit field. Then is company. Firstly, to select the company, press N from the keyboard. So this window of your company will be open, where we will select that company from the company list of which an item is. And to create new company, press F2 function key from this window. So a window of new company will be open. You can create new company from here. Like we will create Cipla. We'll do yes to save changes by pressing End key or Tab key. Suppose for now, we will select GlaxoSmithKline for Crocin pain relief. To know about Company Master in detail, you can see our tutorial Company Master. Then next is salt. Here we will mention the salt of this item, and this field is applicable only in pharmacy unit. So to select salt, we will press N from here. Now you will see that there is no salt name shown. So we can create a new salt after pressing F2 function key. So a window of new salt will appear in front of you. From here you can create salt like paracetamol. And if you want to know more details about salt, then you can see our video Salt Master. Then is HSN SAC. From here you will select HSN code of an item in which you deals. For it, we will press N from here. From here, you will select HSN code for this item. Or if you want to create HSN, so you can create HSN code by pressing F2 function key and can modify with F3 function key. Then is tax %. Software will auto pick SGST, GST and IGST on the base of your HSN code. Means if you have selected HSN code of this item, then software will automatically pick tax % here on the base of defined tax in that HSN. Then is MRP, means we will feed a maximum retail amount of an item here. And in purchase rate, we will mention purchase rate of an item. And rate A, B and C are our sale rates, like for retailer rate A, for stockist rate B and same for distributors rate C. So in this way we can define different rates for retailer, stockist and distributors. Now we will keep pressing page down key or tab key to save this page, and we will do yes for save changes, then press escape. So you will see our items are updated here in item list. And if you want to modify this item which we had just created or any other item, so you will press enter on that item which you want to modify. So a window of the modify product will be displayed in front of you. Here you can modify these fields accordingly. And to know about more fields of an item master, so you can see our tutorial Item Master detailed. Thanks for watching.